Welcome back, and time now for the business day. Flights at the two main international airports were impacted by cancellations for a third day due to cancellations caused by a winter storm in the United States. Details in this report. Hundreds of passengers at the Sangster International Airport in St. James on Monday trying to get home. Some of these people have been trying to do so since last Friday, but the massive winter storm currently sweeping the United States continues to have an impact on air travel.
We were just going to leave Jamaica and we can't leave till Thursday. It's Monday, which isn't a bad thing, but we were expected to go home, so it's warm here, so it's not too bad. So now we're here, getting our driver coming back and going to the beach. That's it.
Speaking with our news center on Monday, President of the Airports Authority of Jamaica, Artie Dietrich, says the island's two major international airports have reported further disruptions to their schedules.
For Norman Manley, up to today, there has been 16 reported cancellations or announced cancellations, while for Sangster there have been 14 announced cancellations, for a total of 30 flights being cancelled into Jamaica from the United States as a result of this winter storm.
The flight cancellations come at a time when Jamaica is still trying to recover from the effects of Hurricane Melissa. TVJ News understands that more than 2,000 passengers were impacted on Monday. This Maxi Tour driver says, while some tourists are eager to go home, for others,
them love it. Them say them don't want to go home because storm is in the States, so they don't want to go home. It's not so bad.
Oh, okay.
All right?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
So you see local business then?
Yes, man. Little business is coming on.
In the meantime, the authorities say they'll continue to monitor the development in the United States and are advising passengers to contact their airlines before turning up at airports. The JSE index advanced by 2,726 points, while the junior market index closed at 3,317 points. The winners included Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, Productive Business Solutions US Dollar Shares, G-West Corporation, JFP, and Pulse Investments. The losers were led by MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US Dollar Shares, MFS Capital Partners, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Dolphin Cove. 20 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $157.55. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.21. The pound is going for $214.50, while the euro is selling for an average $186.30. And that's the business day news from overseas after the break.